Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective, again, sitting within our prior balance, looking to see if we get that proof of concept to the upside again, as our 20-day has been crossing above our 50, showing us that possible shift from bearish into bullish momentum. And again, that is while we have been decreasing in buy pressure and we are not overbought. Will we possibly continue on higher? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you want to see pre-market news that you want to be watching, if you're looking for data sets that you want to be watching, for example, 30 minutes before market open, the market very much does react to certain data sets and you didn't know that they were coming out, or 30 minutes after market open if you guys are trading out the gate movers, or just looking for those major volatile breakouts on news that we mention every single day in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat again, as we are testing our prior balance, in my opinion, one of the biggest questions I would be asking is what exactly will give us confirmation to continue on higher again as we look for confirmation on increases in buy pressure since we have been decreasing in buy pressure. Does that mean our 12 and our 26 are due for a possible cool down and to possibly cross down lower for that possible continuation on higher if we do get that rally that we are looking for? So again, that's what I'd be asking myself as we are looking to see if we can hold our trend line. We will keep an eye on this intraday. Again, if we do get a rejection on the upper end of our prior balance, then in my opinion, we can have a possible cool off, a continuation on lower. Again, if we possibly do continue on with a bounce and a continuation below this trend line, that could be a continuation on lower for that possible even morning star if we do get a doji candle and then a follow through on a momentum candle to the upside. And then again, if we are looking for that continuation, as we are looking to see if we can hold this trend line, we are looking to see if we do break above our prior trend line that we do have here. Again, we had an evening star setup continuing on lower here, a false break to the upside. And then we also did bounce back, had a continuation on lower. Again, respecting this ascending wedge to the upside is what we're looking for intraday. And in my opinion, if we do break higher, what we are looking for is to get a possible intraday flag, a possible spike, consolidation with proof of concept, and then looking for that continuation on that break. Again, that will be that break possibly to 426. And as you guys can see, that would be exactly here at 426 from our prior rejection that we had here. Again, on our prior gap down, our 426 level would be that price target if we got that bull flag again above our prior balance high here. So again, that's what we're looking for, either that bull flag to the upside and then that consolidation for that proof of concept to continue on higher, or we will be looking for that possible breakdown. And in my opinion, could happen if we do have bad earnings. We will see exactly what happens. Again, currently sitting on a pullback. Again, this is not technically a green ice cream bar candle, but this is a red one. This could result in either a push higher or a push lower, in my opinion. Very much looking for that retest on our 20-day regardless. Even if we continue on above 416, above 426, we will keep an eye on our 20-day and looking to see exactly how we respect it for those setups to the upside. That is what we're looking for from here, since we are looking for that shift from bearish into bullish momentum. And again, looking at our swing perspective as we look for that overall push and that larger reaction. Looking at our weekly chart again, we have been overextending as we have been testing our prior balance. In my opinion, looking for that possible retest on the weekly chart will be key for that continuation. So again, as you may assume that it seems a little early to get in, but it also seems that you don't want to necessarily miss a major breakout, a possible gap up. In my opinion, that retest on our weekly chart will be that confirmation on a major continuation, and to make sure that we are not getting a false break to the upside, as we could just be on a possible false break to the upside here, making sure that we do get confirmation. Again, on the daily chart will give us that continuation on the weekly chart. Now, looking at our monthly chart, looking at our long perspective, again, keeping in perspective here that we are still testing our 20-month moving average, looking to see if we can hold it. Again, this is very much testing our 20-month moving average, which is why we are cautious on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, looking for confirmation, is because here we are testing a very key point, and very rightfully so, as this is our prior balance after we did get rejected from our 20-month moving average prior. So again, that is why on the swing side and intraday, if that does make sense, looking at the overall picture, why we are cautious, looking at the monthly chart as we look for confirmation on longs is going to be, again, holding a candle and looking for that proof of concept above our 20-month moving average and looking for that continuation on that prior gap down that we had is what we're looking for on the monthly chart. And again, that confirmation very much will come when our 12 EMA crosses above our 26. Again, I mention this every single video to make sure that we are clear on what exactly we are looking for to get that confirmation on that long-term momentum. Again, we have been getting that short-term momentum. Again, mentioning this last week that we have not curled like this in quite a while. And again, this is key intraday and to the swing side. And we have been getting that, again, strength on our weekly chart clearly. But again, we also have been decreasing in sell pressure on the monthly chart, assuming that we could get that short-term momentum, and that's exactly what we have been getting. Again, on the daily chart, as I recap here on our intraday perspective, looking at our Fibonacci lines, again, sitting within our prior balance, looking to see if we do possibly hold this strength here, looking to see if we get that proof of concept. In my opinion, if we do get a pullback, looking for that bounce off of our 20-day, and how exactly we do hold our 20-day will be key. But if we do hold our ascending triangle here, and if we do overextend to the upside as we have been decreasing in buy pressure on our MACD, then in my opinion, making sure that we get that proof of concept on that flag to the upside will be key, as we do not want a false break. Again, a possible engulfing candle following through with a continuation on higher. Again, that proof of concept intraday on that flag and that continuation on that flag will be what you're looking for if we do continue on and extend with our ascending triangle. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, if you are looking for very volatile movers, we mention them every single day in the Instables room. Any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you for supporting the channel every day. I am truly blessed to have every one of you. I hope you guys are enjoying the alerts. I try my hardest to get them in front of you as soon as possible. And again, very nice breakouts for the last couple of days. I'm very happy and blessed for the last couple of days at least. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.